Upgrade your toolkit with a reliable flame source that delivers precision, power, and ease of use for countless tasks. The best butane torches stand out in the second line for their versatility, making them perfect for kitchens, workshops, and everyday home projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Handi Flame Butane Torch. The Handi Flame Butane Torch stands out as a versatile and dependable multi-purpose lighter designed to make everyday tasks easier, whether you're at home or on the go. Built with a long, sturdy metal wand, it excels at lighting grills, fire pits, lanterns, and candles without putting your hands too close to the heat. Its visible fuel supply window is a practical feature that helps you keep track of remaining fuel, preventing unexpected runouts during use. The flame is long-lasting and steady, offering consistent performance whether indoors or outdoors. Refillable and equipped with an adjustable flame, it gives you full control over flame height and strength, making it useful for a wide variety of applications. The instant electric ignition ensures quick lighting with minimal effort, while the extended nozzle design reaches tight or recessed spaces with ease, all while keeping your fingers safely away from direct heat. Whether you're starting a campfire in the mountains, grilling at home, or lighting candles for a cozy atmosphere, this lighter delivers reliability and convenience. Number 2. Acmefun Butane Torch. The Acmefun Butane Torch is built for users who need both safety and high performance in one compact tool. Designed with 3 layers of protection, it features a heat-sensitive nozzle that changes color when temperatures rise too high, ensuring you always know when to pause and let the unit cool down. A secure gas seal prevents leaks, while the safety lock helps avoid accidental ignition, especially during high-flame tasks. With a single press, the one-touch max fire ignition unleashes full power instantly, making it an ideal torch for welding, soldering, searing meats, weeding, and other demanding jobs. Its precision flame control allows temperatures up to 3,272 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the versatility to handle everything from fine metalwork to outdoor fire starting. The adjustable control knob offers smooth flame tuning between 50 degrees and 150 degrees, ensuring accuracy for delicate or heavy-duty applications. Compatible with standard butane, it's a reliable partner for backyard BBQs, campsite use, plumbing repairs, or detailed craft projects. Number 3. Joe Chef Butane Torch. The Joe Chef Butane Torch is a reliable and user-friendly option for both beginners and seasoned kitchen enthusiasts who want precision and safety in their cooking tools. Capable of reaching temperatures up to 2,370 degrees Fahrenheit, it features an adjustable flame control dial that makes it easy to switch between delicate caramelization and high-heat searing. This versatility makes it perfect for tasks like crisping creme brulee, melting cheese, charring peppers, or adding finishing touches to gourmet dishes. Built with professional-grade materials, it balances durability with ease of use, and its built-in safety lock prevents accidental ignition, making it a reassuring choice for anyone using a kitchen torch for the first time. The wide, non-slip base keeps the torch stable on countertops or cooking stations, reducing the risk of tipping over during operation. Because it is refillable, it offers long-term convenience and cost-effectiveness. Whether used at the grill or in the kitchen, the Joe Chef Butane Torch provides steady performance, smooth ignition, and impressive control, making it a dependable tool for culinary creativity. Its multi-purpose design ensures it can handle various cooking techniques with confidence and consistency. Number 4. Theravs Butane Torch. The Theravs Butane Torch offers a powerful blend of durability, functionality, and modern design, making it a great tool for cooking, crafts, and light workshop projects. Constructed with a sturdy metal body, it features an ergonomic handle that stays cool during use, ensuring comfort and control. Its wide copper base provides excellent stability and prevents tipping, allowing you to operate the torch confidently on any flat surface. This model stands out with its dual flame modes, giving users the ability to switch between two flame types based on the task at hand. With heat levels reaching up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everything from caramelizing desserts to soldering, jewelry work, and artistic resin projects. The flame size can be easily adjusted using the precision knob, giving you complete control over intensity and spread. The piezo ignition system allows for quick, one-handed lighting, enhancing convenience during fast-paced tasks. Number 5. MEIRUBY Butane Torch. The MEIRUBY Butane Torch is a heavy-duty, multi-purpose tool made for cooks, crafters, and DIY users who need high flame power and consistent performance. With an impressive temperature capability of up to 3,272 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers strong and steady heat for searing meats, caramelizing sugars, melting cheese, or roasting vegetables with precision. Its adjustable fuel control allows full customization of flame size and intensity, while the continuous flame mode keeps the torch running without requiring constant pressure, making long tasks much more comfortable. Built with professional-grade materials, it emphasizes safety, durability, and reliability. While propane tanks are not included, the torch is designed for easy connection when following the instructions carefully. Beyond culinary tasks, it excels in lighting fire pits, igniting charcoal, and supporting projects like jewelry making, glass melting, soldering, and various crafts. This makes it a versatile tool that transitions smoothly between kitchen work and hands-on hobby use. Whether used indoors or outdoors, the MEIRUBY Butane Torch offers strong ignition power, excellent heat control, and sturdy construction, making it a dependable option for a wide range of heating applications.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.